class. My name is Uncle Wisdom. Today we shall be solving the previous class exercise on subtraction of fractions. So, one is subtraction of fractions with different denominators. And the second one is subtraction of fractions with the same denominators. So we'll start. Solution. We'll take this one. Remember what we'll discuss on how to subtract fractions with different denominators. The first thing you do is to find the LCM of two of them. LCM of 16 and 12. The LCM of 16 and 12 is equal to 48. Therefore, 16 over 27, which is equal to, therefore, 11 over 16, which is equal to 48. 48 divided by 16 will give us 3. Multiplied by 11 to give us 33 over 48. Then 5 over 12, which is equal to 48. 48 divided by 12. 48 divided by 12 will give us 4. 4 multiplied by 5 will give us 20 over 48. This implies that 33 over 48 minus 20 over 48 is equal to 48. 33 minus 20, which is equal to 13 over 48. This is our answer. This is our answer because 13 and 48 has no common factors in between them. So this is the simplest form. We now take the second one. That is subtract 16. Solution. 2. Subtract 16 over 27 and 7 over 27, which is equal to, the LCM of two of them is 27. Then the numerators will now subtract 16 minus 7, and 16 minus 7 now will give us 9 over 27. So when you come here now, you now find out that these two numbers, 9 and 27, they still have the common factors there that we can eliminate in order to get it at the simplest fraction. This implies that 9 over 27 is equal to 3 by 3, and 27 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This guy man will kill this guy man. This can kill this to give 1 over 3. This is our answer in a simplest form. That is that for the previous class exercises. Compare it with what you got. If you're right, good. If you didn't get it, do the correction. Thank you.